In the third part of this video of exercise 5.2 of chapter number 5 of class 10th, we will understand that how to find out the nth term of any given AP, also how to find out the last term of the AP, and we will solve the question number 13 to 17 in this video of exercise 5.2. Question says that how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So we have to find out that how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7, means the remainder will be equal to 0. Okay, so very first number of 3-digit number is what? This is 100, and the last 3-digit number is what? Last 3-digit number is my 999. So in between 100 and 999, the very first number which is divisible by 7 is what? This is 105, and the next number which is divisible by 7 is 112, and the last number which is divisible by 7 is 994. Okay, so now you know the first term of your AP. First term is what? First term is 105, and then the common difference is what? 112 minus 105, which is equal to 7, right? And the nth term of this AP is what? This is equal to 994. So we have to find out how many means we have to find out the count, means we have to find out the value of the n. So to find out the value of n, which formula we use? A plus n minus 1 into d. So an is what? An is my 994, a is 105, plus n we have to find out, and d is what? D is my 7. So this 105 is being added here, so it will be subtracted on the left hand side. So my answer will be equal to, after doing this subtraction, what I will get? I will get 889 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. So now you know that 7 is being multiplied by here. So when it will come to the left hand side, so it will be divided by this, and after doing this division, what is my answer? My answer will be equal to 127 is equal to n minus 1. Now this 1 will go to this side and it will be added. So 127 plus 1, it will become equal to n. So that there are total of 128 numbers which are being divisible by 7. Okay, so if you have to find out in any question that how many numbers are divisible by, such that it is divisible by 7, it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 12, any number, so what you will do? You will first find out the very first number and the last number, and by using this formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, you can find out the value of n. Okay, now moving to the next question, question number 14. It says that how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. Again the same question. This time you have to tell them that how many multiples of 4, means which are completely divisible by 4. We have to find out such numbers between 12 and 10 and 250. So the very first number which is being divisible by 10 and 250 is 12, then the next number will be 16, then the next number will be 20, and the last number which is being divisible by 4 is 248. Again the same process, a is equal to 12 and d is equal to 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4, and the last number, nth number is what? This is equal to 248. And now we have to find out the value of n, because again they are asking about how many, means the count, and count is what? Count is given by n. So an is what? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So nth term value is given to us equal to 248. A is what? A is my 12. N I have to find out, and d is what? D is my 4. So if I will do this, 12 is being added here, when it will go to the left hand side, then it will be subtracted here, 248 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. So my answer will be what? My answer will be 236 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. This 4 is being multiplied here, so it will come to the left hand side and it will be divided. So your answer will be 4 5 is the 20, carry 3 4 9 is the 36 is equal to n minus 1. So this minus 1 is being subtracted here. When it will come to the left hand side, so it will become 59 plus 1 is equal to n. So n will be equal to 60, means there are total of 60 terms which are being multiple of 10, which are the multiple of 4 between 10 and 250. Okay. Now moving to question number 15, which says that for what value of n, means we have to find out the value of n, are the nth term of two APs. This is my first AP and this is my second AP. The terms are equal to each other, means this is my first term, this is my second term, and similarly this is my first term of second AP, this is my second term of second AP, but the value is what? Value is 63 and 65. So they are asking that which term is this, number is this, for which value of both the AP are equal to each other. So how we can find out the value of AP, any nth value of AP, by using the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. And let us suppose for the second AP, my nth term is given by capital A and the first term is capital A. Small n is small because number of terms will be same, and this is capital D, right? So now we know that A is what? A for the first AP is my 63 plus n I do not know, and D for this is what? 65 minus 63, means it will be equal to 2. So I will get my answer as 63 plus 2n minus 2. So my answer after doing this subtraction, I will get what? I will get 61 plus 2n. This is the nth term of this given first AP, right? Now if we talk about the second AP, for the second AP, my first term is what? My first term is this 3 plus n minus 1 into D will be what? D will be 10 minus 3. So which will be equal to 7. So if I will solve this value, then I will get 3 plus 7n minus 7. So my answer will be 7n minus 4, because I am doing subtraction of these two values and the sign will be of minus because 7 is the bigger term. So I will get my answer as an is equal to 7n minus 4. So as per the statement which says that both the nth term of the APs are equal, means I can say that 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. Now solve this equation. This 4 is negative this side. When it will come to the left hand side, then it will become positive, and this 2n is positive and it will go to the right hand side, it will become negative. So 61 plus 4 will become equal to 65. This 7n minus 5n will become equal to 5n. So I will get my answer as 65 by 5 is equal to n. So my n will be equal to 13. So there are total of 13 terms. So the 13th term of both the APs will be equal to each other, right? Moving to question number 16. Question number 16 says that determine the AP whose third term is 16. It is given to us that the third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Because seventh term is exceeding, means seventh term is bigger, and to make both the terms equal to each other, I will do addition of 12 with the fifth term because seventh term is bigger. Suppose I say to you that 42 is bigger than 40 by 2. So to make both the terms equal to each other, where you will do addition of plus 2, you will do addition in the smaller term so that both the terms will be equal to each other. So that's the same what I have done, that the 7th term is exceeding, so I will do addition in the smaller term, which is my 5th term. So I can say that by using the general formula of AP, A3 is what? A3 is A plus 2D is equal to 16. Now if I am going to solve this part, then I will get what? I will get A7 is equal to A plus 6D. A5 is what? This is A plus 4D and plus 12, right? A and A will get cancelled out. This is plus 4D. When it will go to the left hand side, then it will become 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. So it will be 2D is equal to 12. So D will be equal to 6. After solving this value, I will get D is equal to 6. Now put this value in this equation and we will get first value of AP A plus 2 into D is my 6 is equal to 16. So A plus 12 is equal to 16. So my first term of the AP will be equal to 4. When it will go to the right hand side, then my first term of the AP will be equal to 4. Right? So I have found out the first term and the common difference, but they are asking about what? They are asking about the AP. So I can find out the AP, that first term is 4, then the second term will be 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. I am adding common difference to each and every term so that I can get the next term. Moving to question number 17, which says that find the 20th term from the last term of the AP, this. So we have done a similar question in the example also. So see, in the AP, we know the formula to find out any nth term, and this nth term is from the starting. I can find out the first term from the starting, I can find out the second term from the starting, I can find out the 15th term from the starting, but I cannot find out the term from the last using this formula. So I have to find out first that the 20th term from the last is the which term from the starting, because I know the formula to find out any term from the starting only. Right? Suppose I have explained this example also in my previous video. Suppose I am having 5 terms in the AP, right? And I know that it is given to us that 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is my second term from the beginning and 4th term from the last, right? 4th term from the last, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how I can get, if I know the 4th term from the last, how I can get my second term from the beginning? So by using this formula, that total number of terms are what? Total number of terms are 5 minus this value, the number of the last term, plus doing addition of 1. Then I will get what? I will get 5 minus 4 is 1 and 1, then I will get equal to 2. Means this is my second term from the beginning. So same process we are going to use here. So for that, first I should know that how many terms are there in the AP, because I am using 3 steps, that 3 steps in this formula. First is how many terms are there in the AP. Second, the number from the last term, which I know 20th, plus 1. Then I will get that this term is what? From the starting. So for that, first I should know that how many terms are there in the AP. So how I can get that? I can get that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is what? An is my 253 is equal to a is my 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference is what? 8 minus 3 is 5. This is 3 plus, so when it will go to the left hand side, it will be subtracted. I will get 250 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. So this 5 will be divided. So I will get 250 by 5 is equal to 50. So this one will be added here. Then 50 plus 1 will be equal to 51 is equal to n. Means there are total of 51 terms in the AP. Okay, so now I can find out that the 20th term from the last is equal to which term from the beginning? 51 minus this 20 plus 1. So I will get my answer as 32 is this term from the beginning. So basically I have to find out the 32nd term from the beginning. So how I can find out? I know that A32 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is my 3, n is what? N is my 32 minus 1 into D is what? D is my common difference, which is equal to 5. So it will be 31 into 3 plus 31 into 5. So my answer will be 3 plus 5 ones the 5. After doing multiplication of these two, 5 ones the 5 and 5 3 is the 15. So I will get my answer as 158. So 158 will be the 20th term from the last. Okay. If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve the remaining questions of exercise 5.2. Till then, take care and bye-bye.